I want to be on an Animal Planet one day. So it's storming outside if you didn't know.
And we got a bird in the house.
And I was looking at the storm and a bird flew in. Who has to catch a bird? Everybody. I hope it's in here, y'all.
I heard it.
Hey! Hey!
I just flying.
I did.
You hear it? It's like it's dead.
It's not in here.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it is. Come on, Tweety!
There it is right there.
Tweety!
It's upstairs! It's not even scared of us. It's gonna come down. What comes up must come down, you know what I'm saying? It's not true. It's in the
There's a bird in the house.
No, I thought it was a
Thanks,
flamingo.
dude.
Tyler, you're gonna kill it!
Get my butt to get out of here. Where'd it go?
Tyler, and you know what you're gonna have to do, Lorenzo? When you get in that net, you're gonna have to hold the net so it won't escape. You want me to do this?
Yeah, go ahead.
I ain't doing it.
Come on, pal, you a hunter.
I'm a hunter and not a converter.
Where'd it go?
He's behind there.
Hey, shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it, Liz.
What's it on video?
Yes. Why don't we just keep it as a pet? It looks friendly.
Hey, Purdy.
Everybody started fucking always staring at it.
I thought it was a bat.
You did? I knew it was a bird. 'Cause I saw
Well, there's a bird in the house. I don't know.